In the early 2000s, GE began expanding the use of composites technology within their jet engines. And with this change, GE identified the need for more composite manufacturing. In response, GE Aviation broke ground on a Batesville, Mississippi facility in 2007. This facility was commissioned and opened in August of 2008 and named the Batesville Composites Operation.
I remember walking in the door the first day and I saw an empty shop, and I was nervous because I had just resigned from my job of 10 years.
And to come into a shell, we only had walls and beams. So it was exciting, and I was a little nervous.
We watered flowers, we planted trees, we painted columns, and we would literally dust mop the entire shop.
So we went out and helped with the schools, Boys and Girls Club, Le Bonheur, St. Jude. We did a lot of community services.
While it started as an empty 300,000 square foot facility, it soon began to fill with the state-of-the-art composites manufacturing equipment.
Everything we had prepared for was happening. We were getting new employees in, we were getting new lines in to work. The business was ramping up, and I was excited. I mean, I never thought I would be making parts to go on the engine. Me, I just never thought that would happen.
This started with the manufacturing of the GENX fan blade platforms and quickly expanded to include acoustic panels, outlet guide vanes, and fan cases. Additionally, the fan stator assembly was also brought in to build the GE90 and CF6 commercial fan modules.
Just watching as like the first engine even went out and everybody taking a picture in front of it, so you were like, hey, I'm a part of this, and it happened in Batesville.
Over time, the lines expanded, and an additional 30,000 square feet was added to the shop. Next, the facility grew with the introduction of the LEAP fan platform in 2017, which led to how the site looks today, 15 years later.
I can still remember the first time I stepped on the campus, and it's like it blew my breath away. When I came on the GE, just knowing that I'm building an aircraft part, you know, it's a sense of pride when you have on the GE logo. To be honest, when I first came on, I felt like a sort of a celebrity.
So in 2020, when COVID hit the economy, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of chaos was going on throughout the shop.
At first, they were trying to save as many people as they could, offered a step down to try to hold the position, but once everything was said and done, it came down to I had to be laid off. Cool thing is, GE being the company that it is, offered extension aids with the unemployment, so there for a while, you know, the money was still coming in, thank goodness, and gave everybody time to kind of get squared away.
Everybody was on edge. They didn't know what the future looked like. What we wanted to bring to the team was a bright future. We wanted to brighten that. And to do that, we really had to work on and develop our culture of being problem solvers.
While this was an extremely tough time, these past 3 years have helped to redefine the Batesville shop and strengthen our core beliefs of teamwork, problem solving, and delivering the best composites technology in the world. Since 2020, we have started to grow again. Passenger travel has picked back up, which has allowed us to offer positions to former employees who are impacted by the pandemic.
Say that we don't have something special at this site is an understatement. So to be able to hear the HR on the other end of the line saying, hey, we're giving you the opportunity to come back a year later, mind you, was very flattering.
The culture here at Batesville is a teaming culture, inspiring, uplifting. We focus on metrics such as SQDC, which is safety, quality, delivery, and cost. And Brian and the leadership team emphasize in that order.
One of the unique things about GE as a whole is we operate with a teaming culture, which means that we involve everybody from the production associate to the plant leader. There's an open line of communication and everybody's opinion matters.
From the production up, anybody can challenge anything to make it better.
Mentorship has played a huge role, specifically what we do here at Batesville, and then definitely with myself. Just within the last 3 years, I've mentored or promoted 8 different people that directly reported to me. And that just goes to show that we're investing in our people and we want to mentor them for growth and development opportunities.
GE has made a big impact in the community and the surrounding area by going out and volunteering. We've done cleanups, we've done cooking out in the community, having STEM projects, having people come in the shop, going to visit schools. So it's very impactful there with a lot of hours and a lot of people that are highly engaged.
Never been a better time to be in Batesville. Batesville is known for making legacy products, and now we're moving into a different sector of the business. We're making new technology, new innovations, new material systems, and we get to define all that.
Our composites background and the improvements in the SQDC and culture have created growth opportunities for the Batesville site. We've been chosen to be one of 2 facilities in the world for the manufacturing of ceramic matrix composites parts for GE Aerospace. CMCs are a new high-temperature composite technology that are being used in current GE engines and is driving the performance ideals for the future. Batesville is also on the front line of development for composites parts to be used in next generation of aerospace technology.
Now we are the innovators of these new products. We're the only ones making them. We're building expertise in-house instead of helping other people make them, which is a huge career development for a lot of our people here as well.
It means more jobs for the community, more jobs for Batesville, more work for not just me, but the future generation of engineers that will come through this shop.
Not only is it going to be great for GE making these parts, but it's going to make an impact in this community that I don't know that can ever be measured. And so that's what's exciting about what we do and where we're going.
The Batesville Composites operation is excited about the opportunity to continue pushing the boundaries of composites technology while helping to define flight for today, tomorrow, and the future.